Without the science of trigonometry, the face of the world will not be as sophisticated as it is now, when there will be beautiful, tall, and well-structured buildings, large and sophisticated airplanes, or other machine-based tools will not work well because the machines that rotating will create trigonometric patterns such as sine and cosine. Without the knowledge of trigonometry, we cannot watch TV and listen to music because the source of electrical current used has trigonometric patterns that must be well mastered. Without major skills in trigonometry, it is difficult to create a highly sophisticated system such as the Global Positioning System (GPS). In short, without the ability to understand trigonometry well, the face and the state of the world will look primitive. The science of trigonometry developed rapidly since the discovery of the formulas now known as sine, cosine, and tangent. With the above formula, many geometric calculations that can be produced become easy and efficient because there's no need to rotate and repeat. The important formula of trigonometry, the sine, the cosine, was first introduced by the Iranian-born Muslim mathematician Abdul Wafa Muhammad al-Busjani in 964 AD.
He was a famous Muslim mathematician in the Golden Age of Islam. In the 10th century Masehi, Islamic civilization also once had a mathematician who was no less great than the Khwarizmi. The Muslim mathematician whose name is pronounced but less heard is named Abu Wafa al-Busjani. Abu Wafa is a versatile scientist. Apart from being great in mathematics, he was also known as a famous astronomical figure of this time. This versatile scientist was named Abu al-Wafa Muhammad bin Muhammad ibn Yahya ibn Ismail ibn Abbas al-Busjani. He was born in Busjan, Khurasan, Iran on 10 June 1914 Masehi and died on 15 July 1998 in the Iraqi city of Baghdad. In 1959, Abu Wafa moved to Iraq and studied mathematics, especially trigonometry there. He studied mathematics from his uncles named Abu Umar al-Maghazali and Abu Abdullah Muhammad ibn Ataba. Meanwhile, he learned geometry from Abu Yahya al-Marudi and Abu al-Ala ibn Karnik. He also studied the movements of the moon. One of the craters of the moon is named Abu Wafa according to its name. His contributions and thoughts in the field of science are recognized by Western civilization as a form of world recognition for his services in developing astronomy. The World Astronomy Organization immortalized it as the name of one of the creators of the moon. In the field of mathematics, Abu Wafa also made many very important contributions to the development of computational knowledge. He also helped many scientists and personally developed some important theories in the field of mathematics, especially geometry and trigonometry. In the field of geometry, Abu al-Wafa made significant contributions to the solving of geometric methods using a compass, balanced construction for all common polyhedral areas, construction of half-sided hexagons for isosceles triangles, construction of parabolas from point, and geometric solutions to equations. Contributions of Abu al-Wafa Muhammad. Abu al-Wafa contributed a lot in mathematics, especially in the theories of geometry by successfully combining algebra and geometry. He also introduced methods for calculating trigonometric tables such as this. Abu al-Wafa has also discovered the formula of spherical geometry, which is almost the same as the law of sine. He also introduced tangent functions and improved the method of calculating trigonometric tables. He is also proficient in solving a number of problems related to spherical triangles.
Among the greatest services provided by Abu al-Wafa for the study of mathematics is trigonometry. Abu al-Wafa is noted as the first mathematician to invent the general formula of sine and also to invent a new method of forming sine tables. It also allowed a sine value of 30 degrees to place the 8th decimal point. Even more impressive, Abu al-Wafa made a special study of tangents as well as calculating a table of tangents. Other than that, he is also credited with compiling the tables of sines and tangents at 15 intervals. He also introduced the second and cosecant functions, as well as studied the interrelation between the 6 trigonometric lines associated with an arc. In astronomy, Abu al-Wafa was the first to build a walled quadrant to observe the sky. A quadrant is an instrument that is used to measure angle up to 90 degrees. Abu al-Wafa also made an invaluable contribution to scientific knowledge by translating ancient works into Arabic obviously, and the Phantoms of Alexandria into Arabic. These writings would eventually influence scholarship in Europe, where many of the Greek original had been lost. Among his works on astronomy, only the first 7 treatises of his Al-Majaz, i.e. Kitab Al-Majazdi, are now still in existence. The work covers numerous topics in the field of plane and spherical trigonometry, planetary theory, and solution to determine the direction of Qibla. His Al-Majaz was widely read by the medieval Arabic astronomers in the centuries after his death. The greatest mathematicians of the 10th century died on July 15, 998 Masehi in the city of Baghdad, Iraq, at a relatively young age of 57 years old. However, his work and thought are still alive today. Despite his absence, Abu al-Wafa Muhammad al-Bustani will still be remembered and continue to be appreciated for his services because he has proven that he is able to maintain the dignity and prestige of Islam.